Um, you are welcome in this 26 days professional trading practice, and I am very glad that you have taken this step because this is the most probably most important trading learning decisions you have taken. The big problem is that professional trading is a habit. One's need to practice certain step-by-step process to become a professional trader. There is a system, and a professional trader actually follow that system on a daily basis, and this way he makes money. Sometimes that system obviously gives losses, but still he is professional because he pursue the trading without paying much attention in daily profit and loss. So the big problem is professional trading is a habit to follow a specific system without fail to earn money. So it's required certain practice. Now, most of us, I see that who want to start trading, they pick a strategy, they pick certain news, they get some recommendations from different sources, and they read a couple of blog posts or understand couple of technical indicator, and then they try so many things on a daily basis here and there. Definitely that will not help. Without practicing a professional trading, trying here and there with a particular strategy or anything will not help you. Now, when I say practicing professional trading, what I want to mean? I want to mean that, for an example, suppose you are in a job, right, and you are a professional, say you are a professional accountant. Now, being a professional accountant, you have a daily routine. You wake up in the morning, take your breakfast, and then at 7:30 you wash up and take your breakfast, and then you know that 8:15 there is a train, and you reach the stations before 8:10. Train comes, you get up the train, and then after 4 5 stoppage you drop from the train, you go to the office. There is some work you need to do, you do that job, then you come back again, and daily basis you routinely doing the same thing. Doing the same thing on a daily basis routinely at the end of the month gives you salary slip and paycheck. So it is the outcome, your income at the end of the month is an outcome of your daily routine. For example, one day you go to the office, and second day you don't go to the office. You go to a park, or you go to see a movie, or go to see any play. That way you will not get the salary income. Exactly same way, a professional trader has something similar to that. A professional trader know exactly after market open which stock they will select, means which stock they will trade, what they will see in that stock, how they identify a entry and exit. That entry exit becomes very easy, should be very easy, objective and clear methodology. and they know exactly what to do. They place the order, and they place the target, they place the stop loss, they close the trade, they write down the result, and that's the end for the day. And by doing this practice on a daily basis, brings the money, the paycheck. Now, this strategy should be obviously proven. You cannot pick any strategy to find that you want to be. If you want to become professional trader, you cannot pick any strategy, right? That strategy should be proven. But a proven strategy doesn't help you making money unless you are not a professional trader who practice that strategy without fail on daily basis. I see there is a gap here, and people search for strategy, and sometimes they find a strategy, and few days they trade, and then they forget, or they don't follow the strategy, or they move to another strategy. Basically, they are not can be considered as a professional trader. In today I will explain you some strategy that you will practice for next 26 days. Why you will practice this for next 26 days? Because when you practice next 26 days, a 26 days practice of anything, psychologically it is proven that it's build the habit. And when you practice this trading next 26 days, your goal next 26 days is to become a professional trader, right? And I will teach you one of the strategy, and you have to do it. It's very easy. You just have to follow step by step. I give an example. There is so many author. There is so many good book, right? But those author who are wise persons, those they accumulated all the understanding into a book, and there is so many various book. But having book doesn't make people wise, right? How many of us read a book? We do not read the book because we are not a reader. So, having a having a good book, not make a non-reader wise persons. Similarly, even a good strategy doesn't help a non-professional trader to make money. Again, I am repeating, like just having a good book a author has written doesn't make a non-reader too wise. Similarly, a trading strategy, even if it is profitable, that trading strategy will not help you make money unless you become a professional trader. So professional trader means what? Professional trader means someone who has a habit to take all the necessary step by step process for a particular strategy without fail on daily basis, without focusing on what is the result on daily basis or day to basis, because he a professional trader know that because the system is proven. So if he practice it on a daily basis, then he will at the end will make money. Now I will define step by step process exactly what you will do next 26 day, right? So next 26 day you will I will first define the strategy, and then I will show you in chart couple of examples. So what you will do next 26 day, right? So next 26 day you will first of all track only one stock. Yes, you do not need to check multiple stock. You will only check the one stock, and that is the Bajaj Finance. And I recommend that you start doing it with cash market with minimal quantity, 20 30 50 share, what you want based on your intention. Initially your goal is to understand and practicing professional trading, right? So you will select Bajaj Finance, the only one stock. And what you have to do is that when you will trade, when you will trade, right? You will trade at trade means placing order. You will placing order. When you will place order, you will place placing order time is at 11:15, right? 11:15 a.m. Okay, so at 11:15 a.m. According based on the strategy I will teach you, you will place the order, right? Okay, so what is the strategy now? I believe that you